can hear every word we're saying, like. I do not know her. I'm a Jedi of Star Wars. Ba chiki ba 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 chiki ba ba.
You know me.
Who are you?
You know who I am.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I had to sneeze.
Yeah, right.
Bang on the what? As you can see, my mom, she's back there sleeping. Oh, I pointed it on me. Oh.
Come here.
I'm here.
Yes, you are.
Okay, this is not a romantic movie, thank you. Where is it? You're welcome from the back. Wow.
We got like a live audience.
There's live audience? What? Oh. I have short hair now. I have very short hair right now. There you go. Yeah.
Yay for gum.
I hiccuped. That was really fake. Dude, for all you people that are viewing this, if you notice, I got my white one back from her. She stole it.
I'm gonna steal your blue one now.
No. If they look in the rest of the videos, they'll see that I did only have the blue one, or I had the white one, and I just got the blue one back. I don't remember.
I had the blue one for a while, and then you gave me the white one because you wanted the blue one back, and now you want the white one back. So I get the blue one.
No, you don't, because I'm Hippie Joe.
You look awesome as a hippie.
Hippies, yeah. Bring on the dancing tubas.
Get that out of your nose.
I'm a walrus. Hey!
Someone wants to chat with you. Don't throw pencils at people. It's not nice.
Okay.
Put them in my shirt.
Huh?
Calm down.
Charlie.
I sneezed.
Makes you right in the head with this pencil.
Go ahead. Now move. Alright, hit me with it. She missed. Here, let's make that. Ow! I didn't mean to hit my head. Oh, this is on YouTube. Ha! We got big heads. Ape Nation. Oh, look at my big hair. I bit myself. She was like, look at you. You look like you're a sumo wrestler. Tumba, 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 raka, hoo, chi, ching, ching, I, ho, poo, be, bing, bing, kai, ho, pew, do, do, he, ho. About time I come. Be, tea, da, poo, tea, ta, poo, tea. I think I have a sinus infection. Cancer!
Calm down.
Is my butt talking to me? Who said Charlie? Oh, look at that old lady in the background. There. Looks like I'm blowing up her nose. Up her nose, up her nose, up her nose. Ah!
Calm down.
Why?
Because
It's a video thingy. Okay, I'll freeze.
I said not freeze.
Oh, I'm dumb stuff. Give me a real kiss. Oh, hey, what's up? Whoa, this ain't for audiences. I'm sorry.